Yeah. Once you land on Koadz.ai, you will be presented with a very intuitive interface. There is a big text box which you can't miss. This is where you describe about your business, about the website you want to build. I already have something prepared. Now this is what our AI agent, Professor Bufo, understands and then tries to build a website for you. Pro tip here, the more detailed this description is, the better your website will come about. But you don't have to worry about neatly formed sentences, grammar, and everything. Bufo understands your intent. Let's build your website. Now it asks you to sign in or sign up. Pro tip here, the quickest way to get onto Koadz is through your social login. I already have one created on LinkedIn, and then I'll just select it. Yeah. So now it remembers that you had asked for it to build a website, and now it's asking you and then presenting you with a choice. How do you want your website to look? Different people and different choices, and that's why we left this to you. You can either choose it to be a flat UI, a technology centric, luxury, modern, and whatnot. So here I will choose luxury. And once I choose luxury, it's going to ask what is your brand style and some kind of a color theme. If it exactly doesn't match your theme, you don't have to worry. You can always change it later. But now let me pick something. Yeah? So this is something that I like the most, and then I pick this. Dark Lux variant is also one more very good theme. So let me select this, and now I say build your website. Professor Bufo is now taking in the description of your website, the style and the theme, and it's trying to build a website for you. You will be presented with a project details page, and here you say go start edit my web page. We'll come back to this later because there are a lot of options and a lot of things that you can do there. There you go. So now you see that it says welcome to our restaurant, and then it has put some images. More importantly, it has split it into a header, body, and of course a footer at the end. Yeah, and then so it has chosen a lot of images for you. It has built a hero section. It has built your mission section. It has built some featured research section, and then your gallery. And then it also has built some kind of a testimonial sorts. Okay. Now, if you want to see this website working, there is also a preview button. You click on this preview, and then it's going to give you a development version of the preview. Okay. So later we will also see what does it mean to have your development server up, but right now it's okay. So this is your desktop version. This is how your iPad section looks, and this is how your mobile section looks. So what is great about Koadz is that the website that gets built is already responsive across different resolution and screen types. All right. There are a lot of editing that you can do with this. We will come back to this later, including text and images, and then how do you add greater functionality. But right now, let us just publish, and let us see how easy the whole end-to-end flow is. Now I say I want to publish this. So there is, it also gives a site URL. I'll just live with it, and then I say go publish it. What Koadz is doing now is, it's now taking all of this, building a whole website for you, and from there, it's also going to deploy it. So when I say deploy it, so there is actually a build activity and then a deploy activity. When your site is deployed, that's when it's accessible over the internet. So now it says it's about to go live and get ready, and that's it. Now let me see how it looks. I click on this link. So this is my view website link. And then you see that the website is already live. So you see that some amount of animation is already inbuilt. And then this is where we say Koadz is the fastest and the most affordable website builder that is out there.